Guys, welcome back to a new video. It is your girl, obviously. For those that are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are going to be discussing headphones, noise canceling headphones. I probably came across one of the best noise canceling headphones on the market right now. I'm coming across one of the best new releases from Soundcore. It is their Soundcore Liberty 5 headphones. It is just such an amazing innovation, you guys. I'm telling you, I'm not even saying this to be dramatic, but I put these on and I was playing with these yesterday as I was running errands, going out to the mall, and I was just thoroughly impressed with the quality of these headphones. I couldn't even hear my daughter next to me. I couldn't even hear Nevaeh next to me. I really couldn't even hear anyone talking to me. It was insane how effective these headphones are. First things first, this is the design. Now they do originally come in a box like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a white and blue box. It has precision noise cancellation with superior voice reduction. Like I said earlier, these are brand new on the market, and this is how you are expected to receive your box. And this is the actual case that holds the headphones. You are going to slide it up, and this will give you access to both headphones and the device. Absolutely love it. You can easily connect these to Bluetooth using your phone, and it also has an app, which I want to mention as well. I think their app is very innovative because it helped me like update these headphones, and I was able to adjust various modes to these headphones on their app, and I really appreciate that. As of right now, my headphones are not currently connected. I don't know if you guys can see that. They are not currently connected, but once I take them out of the pack, they automatically connect to my phone, and baby, you're good to go. And I love how many they are. For them to be so powerful, these are like the perfect headphones for the gym, or if you're in a scenario like I said, an airport or somewhere where you do not want to be too distracted with outside noise. I am not even joking. These are probably one of the best options out there. It does have a charger port on this side. They're also very comfortable in the ear. It's not too annoying. It doesn't feel like it's causing any type of chaos or ruckus. You know, some earbuds, they feel like they're gonna fall out after like 2 minutes. These are not giving that. They are very distinct headphones, and they fit perfectly in the ear, so they're not gonna fall out. They look so aesthetic on the ear. I am absolutely in love, and I've already activated it by just putting in one of the earphones. Like, it sounds so weird in my house right now, but I cannot hear nothing. But compared to these headphones stand out in so many different ways. First of all, you have 2 times the voice reduction. Now the thing is, you are always surrounded by background noise, even if you tune it out. Whether you're walking down the street, whether you're in a mall, whether you're in a circumstance where you're at work, you're at the gym, background noise never fails to really come across us, okay? But these literally block out all human chatter. I'm literally here at a food court in the mall. It is very noisy, as you guys can tell. It is insane how powerful these headphones are. I'm gonna put them on and you're gonna immediately notice a difference. Yo, can you hear me? I swear to God, this is so weird. I cannot hear anything. Yo, that's crazy. I cannot hear that. It is. This is literally insane. I'm not even joking. And it just made my shopping experience so peaceful, you guys. I didn't have to deal with the chaotic music in the store. I didn't have to deal with so many like side chatters from everyone else, you know, shopping and getting their groceries. I didn't have to deal with like screaming kids or anyone that was really being a distraction while I was shopping. They also have an adaptive ANC feature as well. So anytime you are moving, or anytime you're in a scenario where you're going through multiple stages of background noises, every 3 seconds, these headphones come together to definitely cancel out whatever noise you go. So God forbid you run into a louder room than what you were previously in. These headphones will adjust to that within 3 seconds to go ahead and give you more of a cancellation effect. Perfect example of that would be games. It's just very interesting because you guys know Nevaeh plays softball. I'm always at her softball games, and then you have the moments of silence, and then you have the moments where people are screaming and chattering and shouting. And so just being in that environment and going through many different modes of background noise, it's perfect to know that these headphones played a very big role in adjusting themselves so that it can be a satisfaction for whatever noise environment you happen to come in. Just as I mentioned earlier, there is an app associated with these headphones and many different modes for you to enjoy with these headphones to really get the maximum quality out of different scenarios you may be going through. So if you're out watching a movie, if you're at the movies, if you are watching a podcast, if you're really deep into, I don't know, your favorite series or something like that, these headphones have many different modes for you to enjoy that and to really amplify the sound so that it is so effective and really get the most out of the sound and the experience when you're wearing these headphones. And that goes along with phone calls as well. Phone calls, FaceTimes, any type of voice-to-voice audio. When I tell you, it is such an effective way to really sit down and have clear audio. I cannot tell you how many times I've talked on my phone and I'm either, you know, distracted by static, someone is skipping a beat, you know, their phone's going in and out. The audio on the phone calls are just so much clearer, and it really helps being that it cancels all the background noise to really focus on your phone call and to really focus on the conversation at hand. It's such a precise sound to the phone call. Like, I'm telling you, you will not understand until you get these for yourself just how precise and how much clearer I was able to talk on the phone and be able to discuss things. It was really insane. Throughout all of those scenarios, within those so many couple of hours, I was able to get so much done and to really focus at the task at hand and to really be, I would say, cool, calm, and collected. Like I said, you're not so distracted or anxious with background noise. It definitely wasn't a distraction at all, and it really allowed me to do what I need to do, get what I needed done, and get home in a timely manner. If you're really looking for a distraction-free environment, you need to invest in some noise-canceling headphones. It really just makes a difference. It really does bring a sense of peace and control to the environment, and I really enjoy that. Now, of course, because I wouldn't do nothing without giving y'all a discount, that's why I'm here. You guys know this. If you are interested in grabbing these, I highly recommend these, you guys, and I promise you, you will, once you get these, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, the quality of these headphones are 10 out of 10, I promise you guys. Okay, I was playing with this all night. My boyfriend enjoyed it. He really agreed that these were some really great headphones. My daughter loved it. It was just, I'm telling you, these are some powerful headphones. So I'm telling you, they are literally worth every single penny. So these headphones obviously will be linked down below. You can get up to $10 off your purchase by using code Liberty5 off to enjoy $10 off of your purchase. You also get a free travel case as well if you use the code Liberty5K. So you'll also get this free travel case as well as the headphones for free if you click the link down below and take advantage. Do check out the description box. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Okay, is this something that you'll be interested in? Is this something you won't be interested in? Do you feel like noise cancellation headphones are overrated? Do you have your personal opinion about these headphones? Let me know if you've used any of their older versions. Girl, just talk to me, okay? Talk to me. Let me know your thoughts below. I do appreciate you guys watching, so thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you later.